hot. I'm barefoot, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go, and it is nice and hot day here in North Carolina. It's a good time to test the heat reflective curtains. We're gonna use this infrared thermometer. So that's the blanket. One side is reflective and the other side is black. So it would completely block out the sun on the inside and would reflect the heat on this side, okay? The grass shows 89 degrees. The car shows 152 degrees. Alright, so the pavement is 113. The blanket is 120, 121, 22. All right, the blanket is 127. Now we're going to measure the back side over here just for the test. And I understand that this is in the shade, but it's interesting to see the difference. Can't see anything. It reads 96 in the back. All right, so now we're going to turn it around with the shiny side out. I gave it a few minutes to absorb the heat. All right, we're going to try the pavement again as a control. Pavement is 117, 118. Okay. Now we're going to measure the curtain. And curtain is 90. Just 90, 91. This is the ambient temperature. Remember? Ambient temperature, 89. And the blanket on the other side, in the shade, 94. You see, that's an ambient temperature, 91. So in the shade, and this one over here facing the sun, the blanket remains the same as ambient temperature. So in the shade or in the sun, it remains the same. That means it reflects all the sun, maybe 1 degree difference. So let's say 99% reflection rate. This is pretty great. It's gonna save a lot of money for you from heating or cooling rather cost in the house. All right, I'm getting out of here. It's hot. It is hot. All right, so these are reflective curtain. Stay cool.